Guys, look at that United 737 taking off right there. There it goes. Who remembers when I've been plane spotting here in the past? Yeah, I was over there, but now I'm inside the airport because I'm literally going on a flight. Wait, oh, there it goes. There goes the plane. Yeah, there it goes, taking off. There it goes. Here comes in Alaska on the pushback taxi right here. Yeah, it's just taxiing right now. Yeah, just taxiing. No, not taking off. Spinning! Here comes a E175. United Express E175 right there. There it goes. Guys, don't mind my shaky hands, please. Guys, there's a plane landing right there. It's landing right there. Touchdown on the gear. There we go. We got touchdown on the landing gear. Where'd it go? It was a United 777. Or wait, what plane is that? That's not a 777 from United. Which plane is that? Delta 757 taking off. There goes the 757 over there. There it goes, the Delta 757. And then, right there, is the Southwest. There's a plane landing. Here it comes. You're going to see it right now.
If you want to go to that side, you could probably get a better angle.
Here it comes. It's a United 757, I think. There it goes. We got touchdown on the landing gear. Or no, that's a United 787. There it is. United 787 Dreamliner. An American taking off, I think. There it goes. I think it's an 737. Yeah, that's a 737. There it goes, taking off. Watch, you're gonna sit right here. There it goes. United taking off. I think that's an E175 taking off. Right there. There it goes behind the 737.
Attention